For more information, please visit our website at DarkCybernetics.com. This is Dark Cybernetics Data Structures. Follow along with our free course documentation. In this video series, we will discuss what are data structures and how to use them. Let's go about creating a definition for what a data structure is and what it does and how it operates on our computer system. A data structure can be said as being described as a way to, let's write it here, to organize. Right, we can organize data on our computer. We can manage our data. If we can organize and manage it, we should be able to store the data we manage and organize. And if we store the data, we should be able to access the data we stored. And if we can organize, manage, and store the data, we need to do what with the data? If we organize, manage, and store the data, well, this would be only way this would be efficient if we had some decent way to do what with the data. We can access. We have something like an array. This is a data structure, right? If you program in many programming languages support arrays, and many do not. And we use something like a two-dimensional array. Managing, accessing, and storing, accessing information increases the complexity. So, depending on the type of data structure, if we have some type of function that set two pieces of data to the same location in memory, we need to have a different data structure to access a different amount of information in a different way. Like even if the information was stored as a graph structuring, we would need to go about organizing, managing, storing, and accessing data in what way? An efficient way for use. So when we could say that a data structure is, well, why do we study data structures? Is to organize, manage, store, and access data in it for efficient use. And for more information, please visit our website at DarkCybernetics.com.